This precious wolf. Kiki, Kiki, come on, come on. We be walking, doing this stuff daily. Come here, Kiki, come here, come here, come here. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Yeah. We be doing it daily. Do something nice for your neighbors. This is my mom's friend dog. Follow my dog, Spike_boy on Instagram. Right now we're at a, let's see, we got over here. We're at a Catholic school. Not really supposed to walk a dog here, I guess, but I forget that every single time. So, like, one time I was on these monkey bars, just doing pull-ups, and I hit my head against the back, and then fucking smashed my face on the fucking front right there. Went bonk, bonk. Gave myself a bloody nose. So then I went home. My house over there. Went home. And fucking around. My girlfriend fucking elbowed me in the face and gave me another bloody nose. I was just fucking bleeding my fucking face out all night. She was fucked up. Oh shit, there's a jump rope. I'm pimping at the park. Bro, we gotta come hoop soon. We're gonna fucking catch mad tweakers. Not here though. I don't want Kiki around the tweakers, yo. She's good for that. She's too high class. Stay up, homie. Fucking rocking the kicks. We out here, Eugene, Oregon. It's a nice night. You can see the stars kinda. Look, that's the moon. Finally got fucking a better video camera. That shit's crazy. Can ball up. There's like fucking 7 basketball hoops here, but why? Okay, the car's coming, so I'm about to dip. Let's get it. Come on, Kiki. Bro, free jump rope though. I kinda want this shit. Fucking gang shit, bro. Fuck with the jump rope. Fucking pimp gang. What the fuck? Oh shit. This bitch was fucking with this shit. Alright, bro, what is up with the tires? Alright, well, I gotta finish this walk, so. Deuces. Bro, catch me soon with some tweakers. Fucking find in action. Subscribe for more of this shit. We out here, Eugene, Oregon, doing a vlog. This vlog type shit. Nobody else out here, bro. But I am. Cannabis Canadian. We ain't saying it like that. Cannabis Canadian, eh? You already know. Just joking around there, mate. You got my jump rope, my doggy. We're getting it. Good night, mates.